Hey y'all, cooking kind of keeping it real. I decided to just put my salad in a Tupperware bowl. So I'm gonna put this salad together and then I'm gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator. But this is a poppy seed salad. It is delicious. It's light, and I don't know anybody that I've ever served it to that doesn't like it. So here's what you're gonna need for a poppy seed salad. You're gonna need shredded lettuce, a whole head of shredded lettuce, or you can cheat like me and buy it in the bags like this. You're gonna need one bunch of green onions. Cut the tips off, okay? You're gonna need a bag or a can, however they come. This came in a huge bag. I'll only use half of this, of chow mein noodles. You'll need poppy seeds. You will need a bag of slivered almonds, okay? And you will need, I used olive oil. It calls for vegetable oil. You'll need sugar, salt and pepper, and vinegar, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with the dressing first. I'm gonna use olive oil just to lighten it up just a little bit. I'm gonna tilt this down so y'all can see. Half a cup, I'm just gonna mix mine in a mason jar. So half a cup of olive oil. And I'm gonna have to cheat and look at the recipe myself. 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. And you know, if you were diabetic, I'm assuming you could use Splenda for that as well. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Then we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Now you're gonna reserve this dressing for when you're getting ready to serve the salad. You don't wanna pour it on the salad until it's time to serve it. And then you're gonna put half of a teaspoon of pepper, black ground pepper. Okay, and you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, okay? Okay, there's that. Now I'm gonna put the lid on this and give this a shake, and I'm gonna set it to the side for later, okay? All right, now as far as the salad goes, let me put this over here. I'm going to put my lettuce in my Tupperware bowl, and you just kind of layer it. You're gonna toss it all together anyway. I'm using 3 bags of lettuce. If I was doing one recipe, I'd probably use 2 bags of lettuce. Or I would shred my own head of lettuce. Okay, last one here. Now once you pour the dressing over this, of course it's hard to keep. Like if you have leftovers, you kind of have to toss it because it gets too soggy. Anyway, there won't be any leftovers though. This is a really good recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna put, normally you would put your green onions on the salad. With my Picky Bunch, some of them don't like green onions. So I am going to put my green onions in a bowl on the side and let folks add them as they want to. So I'm gonna give those a chop real quick. I'll be honest with y'all, the other reason I thought I'm gonna go ahead and make this salad and show y'all live, I need to go vacuum my floors. You know how we women like to, have things semi-clean when you have company. And I want to run the vacuum cleaner before our friends get here to watch the game, because some of us will be sitting on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna set these aside. Normally you would put these in the salad, okay? Now to this salad, you're also gonna add a bag of slivered almonds. Okay? And I'm going to use half a bag of these. You know what? I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna use the whole bag. Sure am. Yep. And you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. And you know what? I'm gonna eyeball that because my tablespoon thing is wet. And that is it for the poppy seed salad. This one's easy, it's light, it's great. Game time, Miss Lily, is 8 o'clock on the ACC network. So anyway, poppy seed salad, that's what our sides are. Poppy seed salad, hash brown casserole, and beef tenderloin. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Give this one a try. You won't be sorry about this one. See y'all. Bye.